You just hit somebody? Do you need a light to tell you that?
It's like somebody's being folded up by an electric seat.
Yeah.
What the hell?
No hookahing.
I definitely thought wheel lock.
It's a little, we're thinking too literally.
Yeah, I know.
Welcome back to the Dorman Proving Grounds Garage. I'm Miriam, and today we're going to be identifying the meanings behind some dash lights. We've got Lemmy behind the controls. Let's go.
This is the diesel glow plug.
Glow plug.
Yes. Yes, go.
I know
Yes,
about that
go.
a whole lot. What they call it?
Incline?
No, it's a function that the SUVs have now.
Oh, this is the hill descent assist,
It actually is applying the brake as you go down.
where it keeps it in a lower gear.
Yeah. I like it.
It's something descent. I forget.
Hill descent
control. I
You know what you're talking about. You know.
Oh. Potty break time.
Get ready to vomit.
It's like somebody's being folded up by an electric seat.
Yeah.
Gross.
Easy access.
Easy access, like,
What does that even
What are we
mean?
accessing?
easy access to what?
What?
This one is looking at the stars, I think. Is stargazing ahead.
You just hit somebody, and here's a light to tell you that you just were in an accident.
You just hit somebody? Do you need a light to tell you that?
It's not a very good light bulb, though. I have a lot of artistic issues with these lights.
I feel like this might have something to do with adaptive cruise control.
No, this is forward collision warning light.
Like the car in front of you stopped. Ah, you should stop too.
Accident avoidance light.
Forward collision warning.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
You should not be looking at this light. You should be looking at what is happening ahead of you. This light is not needed. Oh, it's got the key wheels on there.
Ooh. This is security.
Is this security system armed? Is this the little light that blinks to show that your security system's on?
Yes.
Sounds like a good guess, yes.
Okay, let's go with that. Okay, there it is.
I definitely thought wheel lock.
It's a little, we're thinking too literally.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, here we go.
Sunny out.
The sun is out.
Maybe this one's your dome light because the other one was light related. I'm just gonna say this is your lights are on.
Your lights are working. Lamp out. Never mind.
That gotta be from a truck. Indicator lights.
Oh,
I'm
wait,
looking
no,
at the
it could
arrows.
be high beams or low beams.
High
Maybe
beam,
it's
low
one
beam.
of those auto.
Is that a headlight tilt thing?
The auto dip.
Oh,
Like
the
an auto-
adjusting headlamps.
So my truck, you can tilt the headlights up and down a little bit,
Yeah.
like if you got a load in the back.
Range control.
Range control?
Yeah, because they got the ones that you move side to side and up and down.
Okay.
Cruise control sort of thing.
Yeah.
This got to be cruise control and whatever speed is set at.
Yeah.
Maybe.
What's this little doodad?
Is this TAC related? I think it's like some kind of rev limiter.
Speed limited.
Oh.
Speed
Speed
limiter.
limiter. Same thing.
Okay.
Yep. Got it. Nailed it.
Oh, this one's ominous. This has got to be a pedestrian warning. Man ahead.
Pedestrian in the walkway.
There's a person in front of you?
There is a man in the road. I was right.
It can come on, but you should not be looking at it to make decisions about your future actions. Don't look at the light. Look at the person and try to not hit them.
All right. We got some sort of like.
What the hell?
No hookahing. No smoking.
No smoking, no hookah.
No hookah.
Don't do it.
8mm jack, or what, those little pin jack thing.
Yeah.
And all right, the person is not plugged in. Is it an audio thing?
Is that
Like,
definitely what it is?
Please do not touch the radio. Not a real one.
That's a good one.
aux, power.
Well, that about wraps up this video. I think it's safe to say that all of us need to brush up on our dash light identification skills. Head on over to Shop Press to check out some other tech challenge videos. I'm Miriam from Dorman, and I'll see you next time.